this is our fort, and we're going to give you a little tour. So, this is the entrance. This is the pillows, or the Mexican border, you know.
This is our guard dog, Coco.
Let's take you on a tour on the outside really fast. You know, it's pretty secluded. No Mexicans or whites, blacks. Nobody can come in unless they're Armenian, basically.
Oh my god, we need to get
We got a little. We have a surveillance room, you know, with the TV. High technology, very high. Yeah, very secluded. Nikki, would you like to give the tour of the inside?
I have a flag.
Wave the flag, wave the flag. Okay, let's take a tour of the inside.
Welcome to my fort.
See this?
Dude, we are so safe in here.
Is the secret room. This is where we live.
This is where we hide from the terrorists.